Okay, good afternoon, and thanks for having me. My name is Clinton Madourie, by the way. I'm a father of 5 biological, and we had 2 adopted. I've been father for 34 years. I have 3 beautiful girls, and I have like 4 boys. Being a father in the beginning was very fearful. When I was told that I was expecting my first, I was so nervous. I didn't know what to do, but I was not trained how to be a dad. It just came naturally. I think fatherhood was meant to be for every man, because, as I said, I wasn't trained. It just came naturally, and being a father, I know to love, but having a child, the Bible says something about agape love. But when I have my first child, that's the real experience of agape love. Having a child, I have that feeling that I would die for them. I would lay my life down for my children. And they're the only people who I would lay my life down for. I'll do anything for them. I've grown to be very proud of my children. Raising them, it's very challenging, especially when you reach teenage. But I also have a 34 and a 32-year-old, 1 girl, 1 boy, and they're now giving me advice. You know what I'm saying? Before I was raising them, giving them advice, but they say it's their time now to guide me. I don't know what they're talking about, but I'm listening to them. If I didn't mention before, I'm from the Caribbean. I'm from Jamaica. You can tell by the accent, the way. 2 of them were born in Jamaica. Obviously, the 2 first one. The other 3 were born here, and it's like blended, because the 2 first one I was married to their mother, but the other 3, they're born in wedlock. However, they're all blessings from the Lord. Doesn't matter how you get your children, God is the one who brought them here. So we have to give thanks, and to be proud of them and love them equally. Do not, one advice to fathers, I know in your heart you might have one that is very special to you, but never ever let it be known by the others. Treat them equally. Treat them equally, because you don't want to have any kind of enmity between them. They're human beings too, and they will get jealous. So please treat them equally, even though you might have one close to your heart. Okay? And that's my few words for now. Thank you very much.